Hey guys, what's up? In this short step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can redo actions for your presentations in Google Slides. So let's get right into it. Now, redoing or repeating actions is actually a pretty useful feature here in Google Slides. So let me show you an example how to do it. Let's say, for example, I would like to copy that shape here, that rectangle. So I can do that by simply left clicking on it and by pressing Ctrl C on my keyboard and Ctrl V, just like that. So it has been copied. Now let's assume you would like to copy that rectangle not once or twice, but multiple times, and you don't want to press these shortcuts over and over again. You may simply click on that button here in the top left corner, redo, and click on it as often as you like to repeat the previous action as often as you like with very little effort. So as you can see, that rectangle has been duplicated several times, and you can repeat that infinitely and repeat the last or the recent action with very little effort. Let me show you a second example. So if I move that triangle here slightly to the right, I can simply press that button again, redo, and Google Slides will automatically repeat that action and move that triangle again slightly to the right, and again and again and again as often as I press that button. And you can apply that redo feature or function to any action imaginable here on Google Slides. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.